Do you need help?
No.
Okay. Probably through the kitchen would be better. What do you think? Through the kitchen would be better?
I don't have any. Yeah, probably.
Get out of the way, Lily. Okay, then probably stop there for a second. Just because Mom's still cleaning out under it.
Do you want to put it on the sliders now?
It's got wheels on the bottom of it.
We get her in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Uh,
I'm going to go ahead and undo this one, but not the one on
Yep.
top.
Undo that one so you can plug it in.
Undo it both.
Cords.
Actually, I'm not sure that one is even undone.
Papa Al left one of them taped.
Yeah, I'm undoing that one.
They can't see that one. Don't worry about it. Instead of Sears Roebuck, they just put Sears Roe. See?
I'll do this and move it over.
Ready?
Hold on. All right. Square it up.
Whoa, wait.
The cabinet.
Okay. Can you get out?
Hold on, I gotta fix the plugs a little bit.
Oh yeah, Papa Al shocked him when he plugged it in. It shocked everybody when it got plugged in. It got plugged in 3
What do
times.
you need?
You're gonna have to
Pull it out.
Wait, that's enough.
Okay.
Those wheels on the bottom of the fridge are squeaky.
All right,
What?
now we need to go back. Oh, no. Half inch that way.
Do you want a big cut? Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Okay. What do you think of that? I'll pull it back down a little bit.
Well, yeah, because it needs to breathe.
Yeah, in the back.
And we have to get it on the bottom.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that.
I'm up here.
Okay. Just barely. Thank you.
It's a little, there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
right, I didn't get one of those.
Oh, a manual? It was in there.
I didn't notice it.
Oh. Oh, everything has that stupid tape on it. Oh yeah, it beeps when it's on, when the door's open too. There's no way to shut that off. Oh wait, door alarm. There's a button up there that says door alarm. I caught it. There, I shut the door alarm. Do you want this divider in here?
For right now, yes.
Okay, because I can pull it out if you want.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know right now. I must get this.
Oh, there's still some on.
This.
I think you got everything else.
Oh, there's still some on there.
No, I think we're good.
It's on the back of the shelves.
There's this tape over the bottom too. Oh, it's on the back of all the shelves?
Not all the shelves, but here it is. We're gonna switch these.
Oh yeah, that's right. I do not know why they put so much tape on their. I mean, I know it's so that it doesn't get damaged, like when they're shipping it. But this was,
It seems excessive, doesn't it?
yeah. This is too much tape. Here, take this.
Well, we have to pull the fridge out.
There's no tape on this.
Alright, so that's,
Put the water jug back in there to make sure that's the right height.
I already checked it.
Oh yeah.
It's way back there.
Aha.
Weird.
I don't think that's a good idea. I bet that's where they go though. I don't think that's a good
I
idea.
don't think anybody's gonna like that.
No, don't. That's not a. That's.
I'm sure that's what it is though.
I'm sure, yeah, because they fit in there just right.
Yeah. And I put the butter there, but I'll never remember it's there.
Yeah. Oh well. Hey, you could Oh, no, that wouldn't work. Never mind.
Yeah, I can put
Everything only fits in there a certain way.
I can put that there, even though I'll forget
The
it.
crescent rolls.
Yeah, I'll forget they're there.
The do these leak when they're sideways?
They shouldn't when they're open. I mean, they're not open.
Okay, you could put these in there. Or the coffee stuff. Oh, you could put that little jar of aloe. Oh no, we won't. We'll never remember it's there. Never mind.
No, the cheese isn't gonna stay.
You could put this in one of those drawers.
Yeah, I might.
I mean,
There you
put
go.
it in there with the
Put
yogurt.
it in there with dad's stuff, because it's dad's stuff. Nobody else eats it.
There we go. There's a thing of duck sauce in the
Yeah.
corner. No, you could put it up there with the rest of it,
You know
though.
what? As much stuff as we have, I don't think he's gonna miss that.
What if I miss it? Oh wait, there's a. That'd fit right there.
That fits right there.
Okay.
Thank you. The stuff we're never gonna eat, so it's going bye-bye. Something to do with ear activator.
If we don't know what it is, it goes in the bottom.
That's right. Things that we never cared to see again.
Right.
Yes, these.
Why were those in there?
Probably Dad took them yesterday.
Oh, I thought maybe they were special pickles. You know, in some kind of special, like, marinade or vinegar or something. I don't know why you'd marinate pickles, but put vinegar in them. Pickle them.
Water bottle, hopefully will fit in there. I have to take something out of there. Yeah, during the week.
Oh yeah, that's right. My water bottle goes in there. I think it'll fit in there.
Alright, I'm gonna
It
do-
fits.
Okay. Is that okay? I know you'll have to get used to that, but
Yeah, that works, I guess.
sorry. There's not a
Then-
whole lot of choice.
Okay. What are they?
Yours.
Oh.
That is everything in there.
Oh, it looks so bare without the magnets on there.
I'm gonna let you do the magnets.
Okay.
I'll put my calendar up.
Here, I'll dig out your magnet, your calendar magnet.
I really don't think we need all those raisin packs.
We could go get the ice cream sandwiches and they could go in here.
Oh, well, I need to make sure I have them with all this.
Oh, okay.
Not sure why. You have to slide.
Don't you hate it?
Yes. I don't like new.
I don't like new anything, but especially not new refrigerators. Or any kind of appliance.
I'm gonna leave this out.
Ready to close this?
Yeah, you can close the fridge.
Or else I think it'll bonk you on the head. We still have waffles?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have waffles tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know we had any waffles.
Oh yeah, but there's plenty of room. I can actually stack stuff up kind of high in there. I didn't realize that.
This pulls out farther too.
Oh, okay.
You know what Mima Joe did? She kept this divider and she said Papa Al's stuff and her stuff. Freezy packs.
Yeah, I think,
Oh, that's a popsicle?
I think actually the popsicles are gonna stay out. Yeah, our freezer needs some.
We got a.
Lily food.
That's for the dog.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh yeah, you use both of those each day. So. Don't
Try
forget.
those are in there. Those go out in the freezer.
How about the baking soda?
Baking soda is probably not even worth putting in there, but I will. Just because. Okay. Yes. Oh, little freezing bags. One of them leaks. Which one was it? It was.
Don't worry about it.
It's got a crack. Next time I figure it out, I'll give you that.
Still got a box of baking soda up there.
That's okay. I don't think I need all those baking sodas.
Okay. She wrapped it up for Christmas and she left gift with purchase so that you knew that it was
is
free.
Mimo Joe for you.
Yeah. This looks like we use it.
Not too often. And there's not enough left.
Guess what? Another piece of tape. Imagine that.